You don't often hear of Iowa being associated with meditation, but it's happening right here in eastern Iowa, and it's in the process of shaping some of our state's youngest minds, as well as the minds of Fairfield's leaders. Tucked deep in Iowa's flatland, among the barns and fields, is one of the 12 great places Mother Earth News says you've probably never been. It's Fairfield, Iowa, and something's been happening in this city of 9,500, a mystery until now.
Trust me, we want to get the secret out. We'd love people to come and discover our community. We believe that's happening now.
This small place, less than a 2-hour drive away from Cedar Rapids, has its international flavor with its Indian restaurants and Italian coffee houses. But that's not the mystery.
Anyone get any other points?
I have to bring you here, to the Maharishi School of the Age of the Enlightenment, where for nearly 4 decades, the simple act of meditating twice a day, every day, has attracted all sorts of people, including the students in this private school.
We've been the kind of pioneering or flagship school for this approach we call consciousness-based education.
It's like any other college prep school across the state of Iowa, but here the students, faculty, and staff all take time to practice Transcendental Meditation, or TM.
So we're taking a significant amount of time in the morning and afternoon, bookends, before and after school, to practice meditation and yoga so that our kids, when they go to the classroom, are wide awake.
Those 20 minutes, says school officials, rids everyone of stress, making it easy to learn and perform better.
Of course, there are cynics out there who may say that this doesn't work. And your argument against that would be what?
We kind of welcome skepticism because you can put it to the test, and I think it stands up really well.
And so far it has. This conscious-based learning helps send more than 95% of its seniors to top colleges and universities across the country. They always score in the top 1% in Iowa's standardized tests, not to mention the top honors in math, science, the arts, and sports.
All that's evidence that something good is happening here.
But this just isn't a school thing. Roughly 25% of Fairfield's population practices TM, including Mayor Ed Malloy, who's been practicing for 38 years.
The science shows that there is an influence of reduction of crime and stress.
A town that takes TM seriously.
You have arrived right when people are first arriving for their meditation.
Each day between 4 and 5 o'clock, the cars and the people start to arrive, joining together in large numbers for meditation groups. This is the end result of that rush hour traffic, a parking lot full of cars, their owners meditating inside these golden domes. It's a town like no other, and the people who practice TM say what they do inside these domes helps create change. And it all started here, at the school where consciousness-based learning is helping to shape tomorrow's leaders.
They say it takes a village to raise a child, and I couldn't imagine a better village.
A great village it is indeed. Now, Transcendental Meditation has become so popular that other schools across the country are now implementing the program for students. As for Fairfield, there's plenty to do there, and if you haven't been there already, trust me, they sure would like to see you. In the studio, Kelsey Miner, Fox 28 News at 9.